Welcome back for part 7, bronzer, highlight, and blush. Okay, babes, listen. Bronzer is so tough. It is so hard. Let me tell you something. It is the hardest thing to do ever in makeup. Psych. I am just kidding. Listen, I just apply this directly over every place that I applied my contour. So if you apply contour in the previous video, apply it there, good to go, and we're done. That's it. Basically, it just gives you a little glow to your face because it has, if you bought some contour, I'm sorry, if you brought some bronzer, it has a shimmer to it. So it's your tone with some shimmer in it. So you'll see that, and that's about it. Don't expect a huge change. That's all you got. Okay? I even apply it down my nose because guess what? It's not that much of a change for me. All right, keep watching. This is what I call a fan favorite. Some of us like to glow from the stars. Some of us like to glow from the moon. Some of us like to glow from the sun. Some of us just like a natural glow. And some of us don't like to glow at all. I'm more of a natural glow. Okay? I don't want to glow from the sun, moon, or stars. Okay? But I apply my highlighter right there along my cheekbone. And I apply it down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my forehead. Typically, I will apply it my brow bone when I'm getting ready to go out in the dark so that you can see my eyes because of my tone. Other than that, it's that simple. Ladies, I am not a blush wearer, but I am trying new things, okay? And blush basically just gives you a flush of color to your face when you're not doing a whole lot with your look, which is what we're doing today. And when I put it on, I actually love it, okay? I love it. So, with that being said, you just apply it with a big fluffy brush right under your highlight, and you're good to go. Now, on to part 8, the eyes. They say so much, right?